Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video we will be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into today's video, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand the strategies very well, practice on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading account into a very big one. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. Right from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see right here. Okay, before then, this is 5-minute time frame. Okay, I'm using the 3M trend maker trading indicator in case you are wondering. Okay, so right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend because it was unable to break out above it. You can see the red flag, which signifies the downtrend, and you can see all the 3 arrows, which signifies where to go into the trade. Okay, so you can enter the trade and start selling right from there. Okay, so it got to this support zone, it pulled back, but it was not a major one, so it came back down again to break out below that support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for long because it is around another support zone. If it is unable to break out below that support zone, it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. The next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Right from the resistance zone, it started a downtrend. You can see the right flag, and it gave us different places to come in and sell. Okay, and of course it started selling right from there, broke out from this support zone, and of course it got to this new support zone, wasn't able to go below it, and it started buying. So this is buying at the moment. Okay, so now let's take note of that. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Right from this resistance zone, it sold till it got to this support zone, had a pullback to buy till it got to this resistance zone. So it was unable to go further. It came down again to the same support zone. It was unable to break out below it. So right now it is going back into a buy trend. Okay, so let's check it out right away. Okay, this will be buying more. Okay, most especially because it's coming from the support zone. Okay, so now let's check out crash 500. Right from this resistance zone, it started selling, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it started selling, got to the support zone, was unable to go beyond pullback, and came down again, and right now it's still buying. Okay, if it breaks out, we just need it to break out above this. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Last asset is going to be V75. Okay, so this is V75. This had been on downtrend for long, got to this support zone, was unable to break out below it, and it played around there for a while, got to the support zone again, still unable to break out below it. So it started buying right from there. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from there. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.